Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Shiv Kumar News. Here I am only reading the Hindu newspaper and newspaper. My purpose and aim is improving my knowledge and English only, nothing else. Therefore, please support and guide me. This is today article or editorial. What is the rarest of rare doctrine? What was the sentence meted out to the accused in the RG Kar Medical College case and the Sharon murder case? How were the difference from each other? Is the death penalty constitutionally valid? In what circumstances can the death sentence be given? And does judicial discretion play a part in it? In a rage, junior doctor raised slogans in protest against the alleged rape and murder of a woman medic at the Medical College and Hospital in Kolkata on October 30, 2024. Explainer Simriti S. The story so far on January 22, two separate murder convictions resulted in sharply contrasting verdicts, highlighting how the Indian courts apply the death penalty. While one case led to capital punishment, the other saw the accused sentenced to life imprisonment, reigniting question about the judiciary approach to the rarest of rare doctrine, which still now does not have statutory definition. What were the case? On August 9, 2024, a second year female postgraduate trainee doctor who was on duty was raped and murdered inside a seminar room at Kolkata RG Medical College and Hospital. Sanjay Rao, a civic volunteer, was arrested and conviction on January 20 based on the forensic evidence links from link him to the crime. During the sentencing, the additional district and session court judge, this does not fall into the category of rarest of rare crimes, and Roy was sentenced to life imprisonment with a fine. In contrast, the Sharon murder case did invite the death penalty. The courts decided Sharon Raj, a 23-year-old student from Kerala, was poisoned on October 14, 2022 by the partner Grishma, who mixed poison in the Ayurvedic concoction that she offered him to drink. 11 days later, Sharon succumbed to multiple organ failure. They Ney Yatinkara Additional Session Court imposed the death penalty and classified it as one of the rarest of rare cases. What are the origins of the doctrine? The debate on the discretion given the judges to award the death penalty dates back to 1972, when the Supreme Court upheld the constitutionality of the death penalty in Jagmohan Singh versus State of UP. The petitioner argued that the death sentence puts an end to all fundamental rights guaranteed under the Article 90, and therefore the law with regard to the capital sentence is unreasonable and not in the interest of the general public. He also pointed out that the judges have a clear guidelines for deciding between the death penalty and life imprisonment, which he believes is an unfair delegation of power. Lastly, he argued that the lack of clear rules for judges violates Article 14 of the Constitution, which guarantees equality before law. However, the court disagrees, explaining that the accused is aware of the potential for death sentence, and during the trial, all relevant facts, including the mitigating circumstances, are considered. The court dismissed the appeal and affirmed the death sentence was constitutional under Article 21. At this stage, there were no clear guidelines on when the death penalty should be used, which means judge had wide discretion to decide. In 1980, the Supreme Court in Bachchan Singh versus State of Punjab established the rarest of rarest doctrine, marking a turning point. A five-bench heard the case, held that the death penalty should be used only in exceptional cases. However, he did not What the rarest of rarest mean, leading to further confusion. It was finally in Machi Machi Singh versus State of Punjab 1983 that the Supreme Court provided a framework for the rarest of rarest doctrine. The court identified five categories for crime where such punishment is justified. The criteria are manner of committing the murder. When the murder is committed is an extremely brutal and dastardly manner, so as so arouse extreme indigenization within the community. B motive of the murder. When the murder is committed for the motive which reveals total depravity. Depravity. C social See social abhorrent nature of the crime. That is when a murder occur of someone belonging to a minority community and is committed not for personal reason but in circumstances which arouse social warmth. D. Magnitude of the crime. E personality of the offender. When the victims of murder is a child, a helpless woman, a person rendered helpless by old age or infirmity, etc. Where were there any revision despite the framework set in Machi Singh versus State of Punjab? The Supreme Court in 1983 in Mithu versus State of Punjab struck down section 303 of the Indian Penal Code IPC, which prescribe mandatory death penalty for anyone who commits murder while serving a life sentence. The court ruled that it was against Article 40 and 21 of the Constitution. Hence, all the cases regarding murder shall be dealt with as per section 302 of the IPC, which say whoever commits murder shall be punishment with death or imprisonment for life and shall also be liable to a fine. In September 2022, the Supreme Court referred to a constitutional bench on the question of how to provide a meaningful, real, effective hearing on mitigating circumstances in cases that attract the death penalty. When this is suo motu taken up, the court may set out a uniform approach to giving an opportunity to the accused to present mitigating circumstances in the trial stage itself before their crimes is deemed one which is rarest of rarest. The application of the death penalty in India remains complex and controversial. While the Supreme Court has given a certain framework, the unclear universally agrees upon definition for what qualify as rare of rare continue to leave room for judicial discretion. This is article gist. Now we read. On January 22, two separate murder convictions result in sharply contrasting verdicts highlighting how the Indian court applied the death penalty. The debate on the discretion given to judges to award the death sentence dates back to 1972 when the Supreme Court upheld the constitutionality of the death penalty in Jagmohan Singh versus State of UP. In 80s, the Supreme Court is Bachchan Singh versus State of Punjab established the rarest of rarest doctrine. A five-judge bench heard the case and held that the death penalty should be used only in exceptional cases. However, it did not embellish what the rarest of rarest mean, leading to further confusion. So, guys, this is today article. What is the rarest of rarest doctrine? What is your point of view? Please comment and suggest me. So guys, please like, comment and share, and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel for further more update and more videos, more news. Thank for watching. Press bell icon for notification. We meet in next video. Jai Hind.